A big hello to you. If you are a regular viewer of this channel, you must be waiting for my next video on public speaking and communication skills training. Well, I'm going to post another video very soon on some more vital aspects of public speaking, personality development and communication skills training. But this video is exclusively for the applicants of Indian Institute of Mass Communication, my workplace. Apart from working as a media educator, I am course coordinator for the Department of IIS and short courses. I'm also working here as a students relations officer, and that's why I'm here to support my future students. Watch this video till end attentively if you want to get some important tips to crack the entrance examination of this prestigious institution. First of all, let me congratulate you for choosing mass communication as your career option, because you are going to be the part of the fourth pillar of democracy as a media professional. And this way you are going to contribute significantly in the building of our nation. I also want to congratulate you as you are willing to be the part of our institution, the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, because this institution is number one in India. And you know why we are number one? Because we at Indian Institute of Mass Communication are committed to give you hands-on training in all the areas related to journalism and mass communication, and that too with the help of veterans and stalwarts of Indian media industry. This is my lunchtime at IMC. That's why I have planned to make a video for you all. Let's talk about the admission process. I hope you must have filled up the form. If you haven't filled up yet, just after watching this video, go and visit our website, that is iimc.gov.in, read our prospectus and fill up the form. You can send me messages if you have any query. If you are stuck somewhere, you want to ask something, you can send me message on WhatsApp. Please don't call me, because sometimes I'm in the class, sometimes I'm in some meetings, so I may not be able to pick up your call. You can also write down your queries in the comment box. Definitely I will answer all those queries. So before moving ahead, let me tell you once again that the last date for filling up the form has been extended till 15th of August. So you have this golden opportunity still in your hand. Go and fill up the form today only, because this time you have to appear for a computer-based test conducted by NTA, that is the National Testing Agency. No interview, no GD. You have to appear for this computer-based test at 25 capital cities of India on 29th of August. For PG diploma courses, apart from language journalism, you all know that we have 4 departments: the Department of English Journalism, Hindi Journalism, Radio and Television Journalism, the Department of Advertising and PR. To take admission in all these 4 courses this year, you have to appear for only one entrance test on 29th of August. And let me assure you that this time you don't have to face any problem related to negative marking, and you will be given 120 minutes to solve 100 questions. Before moving ahead and talking about what all you need to prepare to crack the entrance examination of all these 4 departments, let me talk a little about regional language journalism, because the future of regional language journalism is very bright. People love to watch, people love to read news in their regional languages. So we have here Odia journalism, Urdu journalism, Malayalam journalism and Marathi journalism. If you want to make your career in regional language journalism, you have a great opportunity here. Now come to the question which you have been asking me continuously on my WhatsApp. And due to this question only, I have decided to make this video. I have planned to make this video during this lunch time. But don't worry, I'm going to have my lunch just after making this video. And you also promise me that you are going to fill up the form if you haven't filled up yet. And if you have already filled up, go and start your preparation with a new enthusiasm and an extra pace. So my first suggestion to you is to be calm and cool, because this time you are going to appear for only one entrance test. no interview, no GD. If you have knowledge of current affairs, if you have been reading at least 2 national newspapers, their editorials, you are in comfortable condition. If you are aware of the general knowledge related to media world, you are going to crack the entrance test. Some students have been asking questions based on reasoning. Here, my suggestion to you is to believe your logical thinking. Questions may be asked based on verbal reasoning or non-verbal reasoning. In both the cases, your critical thinking will play a vital role. You must be aware of different types of reasoning. For example, analogical reasoning, cause and effect reasoning, conditional reasoning, and comparative reasoning. Apart from these questions based on reasoning, you may be asked questions based on mathematical aptitude. You know, some applicants are very much worried. They have been asking me question that how can this big syllabus be prepared in such a short span of time? Well, let me tell you one thing. IIMC just wants to check your inclination and interest. Yes. Do you have interest in current affairs? Are you someone who keeps his or her eyes on the events of national and international importance? Are you a good observer? Are you aware of your environment? Can you think logically? Do you have a natural inclination towards media? Are you aware of the process of evolution of Indian media? Can you visualize the cause behind every effect? If your answer to all these questions are yes, you are going to crack this admission test. My best wishes are with you. I think that I have summarized all the points. Now I'm going to have my food. You may also go. Okay, wait. Before that, let me tell you one thing. You need to improve your personality. You need to work on your communication skills and your public speaking skills. Because just after a few months at the time of placements, you will need this. This channel is devoted to improve your communication skills, your public speaking skills, and your personality. So if you want to be your better version with me, Dr. Vishnupriya Pandey, you may subscribe to the channel.